Do you really need to worry about cybersecurity? Yes, because your daily digital experience is open to several risks. In fact, there are 2 million malware attacks, 2 million personal data thefts, 50 million ransomware attacks detected daily. Time to level up your digital security. Fortify your digital world with Quick Heal. Smarter protection, stress-free banking, browsing, gaming, and communication. Superior performance, zero impact on system functioning and optimized performance. Enhanced privacy, no more unwanted access to your browsing history and digital footprint. Download the all-new Quick Heal. Smart, secure, sustainable.
Every 39 seconds, you have digital threats hovering over you. Whether you're browsing, banking, shopping, chatting, or even resting, your device can be at risk. It is time to be aware. It is time to embrace digital safety. Quick Heal version 24 has got you covered. The new meaning of being digitally safe. With Quick Heal version 24, stay secured. Get instant security and privacy scores, recommendations, and threat updates. And it is always accessible with metaProtect. Keep your family's device secure on the go and stay future ready. Quick Heal, powered by GoDeep.ai, shields you from all potential threats. Also, understand your digital behavior and feel empowered to be able to manage your digital safety effortlessly. With Quick Heal version 24, be a pro and unlock safe banking, smart parenting, safe shopping, and lots more. Don't wait to make yourself digitally safe. Quick Heal version 24, your new passport to a digitally aware and safer world.